Hello guys, welcome back to Mohita Designers. Today I'm gonna show you one craft. Look, that craft is snake craft. First, we need to take a piece of paper. Next, we can take a scissor or scale to wrap it or cut.
Waste paper.
After we cutted a piece of paper, right? We need to cut another piece of paper. Next, we just need two pieces of paper. Next, we need glue. We have these two pieces of paper, right? We will take one like this and put it like this. Next, we are going to take glue and put some over here. You can use fabric gum also. Next, we should take our second paper. Next, we will stick it like this. Next, we have this piece of paper, right? We'll fold it like this. Next, again, we should repeat like this until we get like until we get like this. Okay? Next, again we need glue. And we should put some over here. If you are having fabric gum, you should put only a little drop. After that we'll stick it on here. And again glue. Put very little on the up only. Done. After that, we can take a pencil or make it like a snake face. Anything we want.
అది కొద్దిగా స్నేక్ కూడా ఏం చేసింది
If we want even longer, we can take another two pieces of paper and stick it over here after that. The other face, okay? Snake study. Thank you. Subscribe this video, like this video, and comment down in the chat box. Thank you. Bye. Bye guys. See you again.